Transformers fans, this is a Rescuebot review. Play School Heroes, Heatwave, the Dinobot, the Rescuebot, the Rescue Dinobot. That's what he's called. Try me. I'm not trying him though, because if I try him, then we ruin the gimmick for the actual review. Also available, Blades, and I showed that off on this channel probably already. But here's Heatwave. Now, Heatwave the Firebot can roar to the rescue as a rescue Dinobot Brontosaurus. So he is a Brontosaurus, not an Apatosaurus. Just to clarify, that's it. He does look cool. Let's take him out of here and see what he does. Alright, we got our cool little Robo Brontosaurus. Awesome looking there. Does have a gimmick, just like on his brothers. You push this, and he's got head moving. Pecking, actually, like a woodpecker. There you go. That's what he does. He can headbutt you or something. But that's it. Really, in Dino mode, that's really it. So what I'm going to do here is back this camera off just a wee bit, and we're going to grab his brothers here. I'm going to grab the rest of the Rescuebots. Let's arrange them in a fashion that looks visually appealing. And this is how the whole quartet looks all together. Very fun. I have all these. I've reviewed all these. If you want to look at the other ones, they're fun too. They all each have their own little gimmick, plus they all transform. So without further ado, let's get him transformed as well. Okay, to transform him, it's very, very simple. There are two very simple steps. You split his head, which as you do that, you can see it's lowering his feet down. And then you just kind of tidy him up by pushing that tail down, and you're done. You got yourself a little Heatwave of nice representation of the show version of this guy. Not sure what's going on with dino hands here, but that's really it. Not any kind of articulation except just due to transformation. You can kind of do that, but really that's it. He's a little figurine. Gimmicky, I know. Show accurate, kinda, but cool nonetheless. I do like these guys. And just one last comparison, there he is with the rest of the group. They're all in the robot modes. The robot modes are a little bit out of proportion from the way they look on the show. They're all kind of the same height and same build. Boulder's a little bit more wider than the other ones, I guess, but it's still cool. Very cool. I like having this whole little group. I think these are fun little toys and not really expensive either. And I believe you can pick these up at Big Bad Toy Store, so check that link out below. If not, you can find other Rescuebots and other Transformers goodies from them. But if not, these are on the Fisher-Price aisles at stores, so look for them there. So take care, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. This has been Heatwave, the Brontosaurus Rescuebot. Got more Transformers goodies coming your way, so stay tuned and please subscribe. See ya.